George from Conroe has a question about manufactured homes.
Yeah, he's buying 3 acres to build on
Cool.
up in Conroe. And George writes,
a lot of land.
Yeah, well, he's going to need it. I'm 65, he says. He lost everything in Harvey. And he's going to build a 1-story, 1,300 square foot framed house on the slab. But he also looked at manufactured double-wide homes, he says, and it seems I can have one about the same square footage set up on my property for $50,000 less than a stick-built house on a slab. Tom, George wants your advice comparing manufactured versus a stick-built home.
It's fine. I had a double wide in Galveston.
On stilts.
On stilts.
Right. From
1960. Survived all the hurricanes. Okay? There's always work to be done. And there was some stuff that wasn't all that great as far as the way it was built. Like the red shag that I had to get rid of.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
But I doubt he's going to get the red shag package.
Well, and here's the other thing is you can get the thing delivered for $50,000 less, but you still have to have all your utility hookups, your septic systems.
I think he means. I think he means the whole package.
Well, if he can do it, fine. I have no problem with it. Just remember, it's going to take a lot more TLC over the years because they take a lot more maintenance and attention. So? Well, the floors tend to rot out because they use particle board, and so you're replaced, especially in the bathrooms. Your tub finally falls down onto the grass because the whole thing rots. Yes, that's a big thing with the double wides. Okay. Is the tubs and showers don't hold up well.
Okay.
So you're going to be doing some remodeling and stuff, but it is kind of a stick-built home. It's not mobile. No. You ain't rolling this thing around.
No, this is not going to be.
And you see him going down the street with all the insulation flying out behind him as they.
George's old enough to remember the big trailer with Lucille Ball. It's not going to be like that.
I love that movie. That movie. Yes. Yeah. Had to get a bigger car for the bigger trailer.
That's it.
But if that's what you can afford and you're going to enjoy your 3 acres, I'm good with it. You're just going to have a little more maintenance on it. That's all.
There you go. You got a question? We'll help you out just like that. Go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com using that Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.